And when class resumes in the North Kansas City School District, students and staff are going to notice some major upgrades. Let's get chat to Nicole D'Antonio. She joins us live from North Kansas City High School, where there is a $65 million renovation project. Morning to you, Nicole.
Hey, good morning. Yes, a lot of changes when they arrive back here. I want to show you one of the biggest ones. We are actually standing in the main lobby here. This is the main entrance of North Kansas City High School, a very different look for this 100-year-old school. So I'm so excited to bring in Drew White here, the associate principal. And you were just telling me that even 2 weeks ago, we would have needed hard hats standing here?
Absolutely, yeah. Just 2 weeks ago, we needed hard hats, orange vests, goggles, those sorts of things to make sure that we could be in this area. The J.E. Dunn, the construction companies, and our architects and everybody in the school district, we've worked really hard to make sure that we can get this to a point where kids are ready to come and enjoy the first day of school today.
It's beautiful, and I think one of my favorite parts is the mix of the old with the new. Guys, I want to show you guys the brick right behind us. This is the 100-year-old original building, right?
Absolutely, yes. And you can actually see part of the original building, built in 1927. You can see there just a little bit of an addition. That was kind of the second phase of the building, and now obviously we're standing in the newest part here in 2019. It's pretty cool.
I'm sure that means a lot too. I'm not sure if maybe some parents that attended here and now their kids are also going through the school district, and to have them in the same original building, it's got to be pretty special.
It is. There's no question. One of the great things about North Kansas City High School is the tradition that we have. We're one of the oldest schools on this side of the Missouri line, and certainly in the metro area just in general. So it's really cool. The alumni base really wanted us to keep some of the old and the traditions and obviously mix it with the modern day today.
And really quickly, because we're running out of time, but I want to show you guys that wood paneling. This is on the other side of the lobby here. There's another special story behind that, right?
Absolutely. So the wood in the bookcase over there, or the trophy case, is actually the main floor from the original field house.
The field house, because we've seen that video of that being torn down. This is the wood from it.
Absolutely, yes. So this is the wood that was in the field house that we tore down just a couple of years ago.
Very, very cool. So guys, coming up here in about an hour, we're going to show you the new command center. That's a part of the renovations. They have one in all the high schools here, including here in North Kansas City High School, a way to keep people safe. And we are going to show you that coming up in about an hour. Guys, back to you.
Well.